Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service reminder in a 2025 Volkswagen Atlas. Alright, so you want to start by turning the vehicle on. This is after you've done your oil change. So sometimes you got to wait for a second here till you can use the display. So I'll wait a couple seconds, press OK to get rid of that low gas deal. And then I'm going to come over here with these side buttons and come over to the side here. So that's good there. And then you want to scroll using these buttons here to get to travel distance and time. So we got that there. Then you're going to hit this over button. Okay, now we have this screen here. You're going to long press this over button close to 10 seconds. So we'll 10, and release it, and that'll bring you the service display. So you can come down here, reset oil change, press OK. OK again. Service interval is reset. Then you want to come in and do the same thing for the inspection service. So just long press over here, or press regular, then long press. Sorry, it didn't work that time. It didn't go long enough. 10. Then go to inspection service, select OK, reset inspection service, OK. Alright, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful.